tell you about past perfect continuous tense. So what's the past perfect continuous tense in Urdu recognitions? So now I'm going to tell you about the recognitions of Urdu in language. So what's the method to understand whether tense is past perfect, past continuous or past perfect continuous tense? So उर्दू फिक्रात के आखिर में ता रहा था, ती रहे थे. ओके. और एनी स्पेशल टाइम. 2 घंटे से 2 घंटे से 2 घंटे से 2 दिन से घंटे से कर रहा था, सुबह से शाम से करता रहा था, कर रहा था और करता रहा था. ओके. So this is the recognition of Urdu. Okay. So we will use since and for definitely and for. And I did tell you about since in my video. So I told you about the method of since and for. Since for a short period of time and for we will use for a long period of time. Okay. Okay. So what's the helping verb? Helping verb. Helping verb had been. Okay. We will use had been. So these are called the helping verb. Helping verb had been. So okay. So here I'm going to write helping verb had been. Okay, and plus ing plus first form of verb. First form of verb. First form of verb. Okay, helping verb had been plus ing plus first form of the verb. If I will say वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रहा था, वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रहा था. He had been working since. अब यहाँ पे since यूज करेंगे. ओके. Since 2 or he had been working since 2 or. Okay, in case of interrogative sentence, क्या वो 2 घंटे से क्या वो 2 घंटे से ओके क्या वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रहा था. Here, so we will use had before start a sentence. Had he been working since 2 hours. Okay. In last question mark. क्या वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रहा था. In case of interrogative sentence. In case of negative sentence, वो 2 घंटे से काम नहीं कर रहा था. He had not been. We will never use or never say he had been not. He had not been working. He had not been working since 2 hours. Understand? He had not been working since 2 hours. So here I am going to write some more sentence. You can take screenshot. You can note. Okay. Yes. Now here I am going to write some more sentences. You can easily understand what's the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, past perfect continuous tense. If I will say, uh, वो वो 10 साल से मेहनत कर रहा था. He had been working. अब यहाँ पे since का यूज होगा या for का? For 10 years. He had been working for 10 years. वो 10 साल से मेहनत कर रहा था. He had been hard working. Sorry, we will use he had been. He had been hard working. He had been hard working for 10 years. We can also here use he had been doing hard work. He had been doing hard work. Okay, I think so. This is a very suitable sentence. He had been doing. Okay, he had been doing hard work for 10 years. Okay, वो 10 साल से मेहनत कर रहा था. If I will say, क्या वो 10 साल से मेहनत कर रहा था? Interrogative. क्या वो 10 साल से मेहनत कर रहा था? Had he been doing hard work for 10 years. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँ वो 10 साल से मेहनत नहीं कर रहा था, नेगेटिव. He had not been doing hard work for 10 years. Understand? Okay. Okay, if you have any confusion. Okay, no. Now here I am going to write negative plus interrogative. वो 10 साल, क्या वो 10 साल मेहनत नहीं कर रहा था? Had he not been doing hard work for 10 years. I hope you understand what's the past perfect tense. Okay, If you have any confusion, then you can ask questions, and I will reply. So in my next video, I'm going to tell you about future tense. Okay, in future tense. So stay blessed.